Makhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku channel yami. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngokubaleka kokuthi sihloniphe amanzi, sihloniphe indawo zamathonga, places which are spiritual places, which I for one, I no longer believe in group cleansings. I remember once upon a time, as you've seen this previous video that I've just posted, it's funny because it was just posted on TikTok. That's yay, angifuna ukutrenda, angifuna ukufela emanzini bese nami ngiyatrenda ukuthi ngibuke ngomfula, yay guys. So engikhumbuza once upon a time ke kwathi siplane uke emanzini esontweni. Then I woke up with a dream. Ipopo lakhona sasisemanzini. Then as sisemanzini, I'm seeing this one lady wasesontweni yena that other side. But ngiyazibuza ukuthi ufike kanjani because there's no way you're gonna get to that side. Uphahla ayi1 ubusy ngempepho ngimbhekile. And now okay thina siyangena emanzini siyangena, then we are done. Then but okay everybody, we are done, now we are going. So kube nomuntu othi hey nanga ugeli ongeke ngimbize ngegama, nanga ugeli ungali, hayi umfundisi wethu vele ammemeza athi hey yabo. So makamemeza ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uzobuya njani, ngoba fanele ukuthi abuye, fanele ukuthi angene emanzini eze. And manje umfulu uyenzani? Umfulu uyalwa uthi uphakamuthi amanzi amagaga. Hey guys, it was late. Then ngimbone athi uyajumpa awele emanzini. Maka uwele emanzini ngimbone aphakamisa izandla ngathi ufuna ukuphuma, kunento emdonsayo. Ay ngibukile in my mind, I'm like lo uyahamba lo, uyahamba. Washona phansi to the point ukuthi kuyabona amanzi mawenza kanje, then agcina athula kungasabonakala ukuthi bekunalo. Ngiyabona abantu bayakhuleka, abanye bayakhala, bayakhuleka yazi abantu besonto. Ngithi mina hayi ufile lo muntu ofile bangibheke, angithi mina kudala ngimbonile ngithi ufile lo muntu, bathi uthethe ubani, ngithi uthethe umnikazi wamanzi. Bangibheke bakhuleka abantu, bakhuleka mabakhuleka ngibone umnumzane ingoke engakanani inkonzi emnyama ivele emanzini. Mayivele emanzini yavela yathi fayi inkulu yinde, maqeda yavula umlomo yamkhafula yamuthi makamkhafula wazobela la phambi kwethu la phansi. Yabuyela emanzini yathi mayimkhafula inyawo belikhathekile eli1 liblida igazi elingakanani, anama clap yabona ukubonisa ukuthi ubuye emlomeni ngathi mina ufile lo muntu ufile. Bakhuleka abantu, bakhuleka. Hey nami ngiyazibona manje singagijima komunye umama vele usontana, ngifuna ukumtshela ukuthi yo ubani ushonile usalile emanzini, yo sengiyakhala lapha ngithi yo. But now get this, sisemanzini sihamba sonke as a group. Ukhumbula ukuthi that's why kunento ebizwa ukuthi chain of prayer. A chain of prayer, it means it's a chain. One chain ihuke kwenye, enye ihuke kwenye. Once A1 yaqhaqhaka, it's no longer a chain. A chain, it's because of the pieces ezibambanayo. So everybody is this side, everybody ungene emanzini, everybody they speaking in one breath. Everybody before they get in the water they busy singing, we all praying. Yena uyenza into ezakhe ayi1 ngale manzini. Not to say they were wrong, but so ubreak a chain, meaning Tina, we are under the protection, we are under the protection, we are one. Yena vulnerable to attacks. You understand? Thola ukuthi futhi kunokungqola akenzile, that's why bhekangekho nathi. and manje amanzi ayahlonishwa, so basibonisa ukuthi la basob. And I remember I quickly took a phone, ngafonela umfundisi wami say brosto ngiphuphe iphupho elikanje. That time ngiyaplanwa nathi ukuthi sivele fake semanzini esontweni, mtshela ukuthi ngiphuphe iphupho elikanje. Hayi masifika vela ngithi uyazi izayona vele manifika ekseni nizovuma izono. Masisavuma izono ubishop wethu athi uphuphe ase manzini ahambe nabantu bese umuntu oyi1 wamuka nomfula. I mean, we can't wake up with the same dream. And luckily angizange ngithi yo ene nami ngeliphuphi, because already bese ngitshelile umfundisi othi ngimfonela ngathi ngivuke yazi ubishop masho kanjalo umfundisi othi wangibheka wathi nali iphupho lakho, wena uphupha umnumzana uyamthatha lo uphupha uhamba namanzi uyi1 lo bekahambe nabo uhamba namanzi. So that's when you get to realize ukuthi because remember amanzi ayahlonishwa, you have to cleanse, you have to be clean. Akusigini lapha ya umuzi womunye umuntu uyawuhlonipha. That's why makuthiwa komunye umuzi akhanjwa ngecathulo endlini uyasikhumula. Makuthiwa la indoda umuntu wesilisa akafaka isiqoko uyasikhipha, kwakho ungasifaka but emzini umuntu uyasikhipha uyasihlonipha. Makuthiwa la kulomuzi umuntu wesifazane ugqoka isketi uyahlonishwa, akagqoka ibruku, you respect, ngoba awuhloniphi lo muntu kuphela, uhlonipha amakhosi walo muntu, uhlonipha abantu abadala bakuloyo muzi. So amanzi ayahlonishwa. And group cleansings are very, very, very painful, because when uzilile, when you've cleansed, when you've prayed, when you've done all this, kufika one. And what I've realized, especially ngala masonto wethu oZion, it's that makiwe manzini kufika one adakwe uyambona ukuthi unukutshwala, uyambona umuntu wenzulala avuka ngotshwala unuka kanjani, uyanuka umuntu unukutshwala, bese mina ngiyongena emanzini nalowo muntu ayi ningazodlala ngami, bese bayenze enye bayithandayo ngoba umuntu wesilisa, even if ungena abantu abadala bazothi abobhuti abobaba yibo bazofaka wonke umuntu, bazofaka thina emanzini. I'm looking at this guy, I'm like, wena botshafazana nomuntu wakhizolo, wena ubuphuzile olala ngekhaya, wena uneyichitho, bese uyofaka mina. Number 1, mawungifaka you gonna thinta mi ikhanda. Number 1, this is my crown. This is my crown. Nobody touches, nobody messes with my crown. And I might be ukuthi ngumuntu wesifazane ngokwenyama, but inside of me ngihamba namakhehla, ngihamba neindlodlo, ngihamba namakhosi amakhulu. You don't just touch, angithintwa nanoma ubani. So that's when I got to say, you know what, mina ngiyasifaka emanzini. Ene mina ngeke ngishiye ingane zami sasencane kabi, ngizishiye ngiyolimala emanzini, ngimuke ngomfula ngenxa yokuthi khona abantu abangahloniphi amanzi. Vele into ongayazi awihloniphi. And a funny thing, makuzwenzakala something akulimali bona, kulimala umuntu innocent, umuntu right, ngoba wena right ushawela ukuthi uvumelani lento le iyenzeke, uyingane yamanzi. How can you allow? It's like makune house party, abantu beze balethe utshwala, balethe idakamizwa, kini mabafika bayoshaya abantu, bayoshaya wena ukuthi wena, why do you allow these people ukuthi bazodelela la ekhaya, bazodelela ukushaya wena? So now mawufika emanzini kuyoshawa wena, because of why ulethe abantu ekhaya kini ukuthi bazodala imikhuba, bazongqolisa. So be careful. Pray, cleanse, respect water bodies. Manzi ayimpilo, ayikho into endlula amanzi. Respect that element. Trust you, believe you me. respected.